Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up some cranberry crunch, which is a good, easy Christmas candy. Everything you need is in the description, y'all. Let's go ahead and jump in. It's easy, so easy, and the kids love it, us adults love it. But we're going to start out with it's 1 pound, 8 ounce package of the almond bark. You'll find this in your baking section where all your chocolate chips and stuff are at. We're all getting started on these holiday baking goodies, ain't we? But just go ahead and get it, cut it up. You can see there it's just a big old brick, and just get it cut up. And we're going to get this into the microwave in our bowl here, and we're going to start melting it. Stir it every 30 to 40 seconds until it's melted. Just don't overheat it. Okay, I hit 30 seconds on mine, I think like 3 times. Just depends on the size of your microwave. And you just want it till it's nice and smooth, but not hot. Not real hot. Alright. Yeah, I was up alone over here by myself, bored, getting into the pantry, see what I can get into and make up, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to jump on here and do a video and see what we can come up with here, and I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. I'm just bored. I'm just here late at night sharing with y'all what I do when I'm bored, and I'm bored. I'm opening up a bag of unsweetened coconut flakes. Oh, these smell good. You can toast these too if you wanted to, but I'm not going to toast them. I mean, you can add to whatever you got in your pantry that's going to go with white chocolate, basically. Well, white bark. You know, just put your mix-ins, what you want in there, what you got available, or what you may want to purchase. It's just, it's convenient, these little things for Christmas. Little, you know, for your holiday table, or I'm going to start out with a 1/2 cup. Or gifts. I had an orange in the refrigerator. Said I'm going to peel me, or zest, a little bit of orange peel, because I think that'll go good with cranberry, right? I got a teaspoon, but I'm going to start with a 1/2. I don't want it too strong. Alright, I have me some cranberries, dried cranberries. I always stack up on stuff that I just think I'm going to need during the holiday seasons. I think a lot of us do that. Just love to bake, you know, and just always have the things on hand that I normally use for baking. We'll do some of those cranberries. And I have some chopped macadamia nuts. And we're just gonna stir this up, see what it gives me here. And if it ain't good, y'all ain't gonna be seeing the video, huh? But I think these will be good. Put about a 1/2 cup of those in there. See where we're at here. Looks good. Yes, it does. Maybe a little more cranberry and coconut. I'm going to go in a little bit more coconut. Not quite. Another 1/2 cup. Not quite. And some more cranberries. Maybe another 1/4 cup or so. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I just talked to Curtis earlier. He's doing good. He's not going to be home for Thanksgiving, but he'll be spending Thanksgiving with his military family, which I'm so grateful for, but I sure wish he was here. Sure is quiet around here without him. But I'm going to get my baking sheet over here, and we're going to scoot this over and start scooping these out. All right, I got that there. Let me smell this. See if I got enough orange zest in it. Let me taste it. Yum, 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 yum. Tastes pretty good. I went ahead and put the rest of that orange zest, so I put a teaspoon in there. Don't you turn my stuff orange. I want my chocolate or bark to stay white. Just don't get none of that white pit stuff in there, just the zest of the orange. I used a teaspoon. You use as much as you want. We're just playing around tonight here. Let's see. I'm going to scoop this out, maybe you can use a spoon. Drop them on there and just let them dry. Let them firm up. Make them whatever size you want. But the smaller you make them, the more you'll have, right? Let me try my little scoop here. See how these come out on the scoop. Scooping them, let's see. Yeah, I like the little scoop. Do them how you want. They're going to be good either way. And I'll probably, to speed up the process, stick them in the fridge. So I'll continue doing that and let them chill, let them firm up, and I'll be back. Okay, my friends, there they are, the cranberry crunch clusters. Now, I kept mine in the refrigerator for too long. I actually got them too hard. I just wanted them to hurry up and firm up, but leave them on the counter once they're done. They'll won't be so hard, but I already tasted one, and let me tell you, they are good. But it's just an idea I wanted to share with y'all. Be creative. If you got some of that bark maybe in your refrigerator or in your pantry, you got pretzels, M&Ms, anything, you know, get the kids in there. Make some little Christmas treats up with them. But as I said, and they are really good. I cut one here a while ago. You can see that. And those macadamia nuts that are in there, wow, it flavors them. And that coconut, the orange, put whatever you want in them. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe and share. It's truly appreciated. It helps my channel. But until next time, like I said, don't leave them in the fridge. Let them come to room temp. You can go thinner, you can go thicker, bigger, smaller. But anyway, you guys enjoy. They really are good. They really are. Give them a try. Put them in your little gift boxes for gifts. But we will see y'all later. Take care. Love one another. Eat some good snacks. And we'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.